Hello friends, today I am going to explain about scope and lifetime of a variables in PHP. First one, scope of variables in PHP. A variables defined inside a function is called local variables. A variables defined outside a function is called global variables. See, variables are two types. First one is local variables and another one is global variables. A variables defined inside a function is called local variables, and whereas variables defined outside a function is called global variables. Global variables can be accessed anywhere in the program. To access global variables in the function, it must be declared in a global declaration function using global keyword. Otherwise, the variable act as local variable. See, that means, for example, if we want to declare global variable in a function, then we need to use global keyword. Otherwise, the variable act as local variable. See, I will show example. By this you can clearly understand what is local variable and what is global variable. See, this PHP program shows the example of global variable. See, any PHP program contains less than question mark PHP at starting and question mark greater than at the ending of the program. See, I took variable a is equal to 1 and variable b is equal to function sum of global $a comma $b. See, this global keyword is used to define global variables. If we do not declare this global keyword, then program automatically take it as local variable, and output which is generated is error. See, $b is equal to $a plus $b, sum of echo $b. See, this echo $b is output. It is going to here $b is equal to $a plus $b. $a is equal to 1 and $b is equal to 2, that is 1 plus 2, that is 3. So echo $b output is 3. See the example of local variable. See, $num is equal 60, $number is equal 60, function local variable. Inside function I took $num is equal 50 and echo local number is called $num. See, this value 50 is going to be stored here. Echo produce output. Similarly, outside the function local variable, echo variable num outside the local variable is $sum/n. See, this $num is called 60, which is it outside the function, is going to be stored here. So output is local number is called 50 and variable name outside local variable is 60. See, there is two values generated as output. Lifetime of a variable. The lifetime of a local variable in PHP function begins when the variable is first used and ends when the function execution terminates. That is, after termination of function execution, the value of local variable is lost. See, in this the lifetime of a local variable begins when variable is first used in the program and terminates after execution of the function. The lifetime of a static local variable in a function begins when the variable is first used in the function and ends when the script execution terminates. Whereas in local variable, the lifetime of a local variable ends after function execution terminates. Whereas in this, lifetime of a local variable terminates after script execution terminates. See, the static local variable is specified using static keyword. Friends, I have provided complete PHP tutorials in the below description. You can watch from there.